to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about her, and she's saying that the more people talk about her, is the more that she shines. She's also saying that she had to move from the place that she was, the hotel that she was staying before, because she was being basically tracked down. People knew exactly where she was, and she wanted to make a change just because of that situation. So she went ahead and changed her location. She's saying that her money paid for this, and no one else's money was placed in a fund, or nobody gave her money, or she didn't ask for anyone to help her out. No sister, no brother, no family members, no friends. She did it all on her own, from basically selling her products. Now, she's saying that, listen, she doesn't want to be, basically anyone to be bothering her, because she's doing her best and she's doing what she has to do until the winter season has passed. And then she will go into a real estate and let them know that she would need a place. And, she has her money put down to do so. So Marcia is saying that, basically she's living her life right now, and that's how she wants to live. And she would like everyone that's on her to leave her alone. So guys, remember also to go and purchase your items from Marcia. She's selling sheets, curtains, bathroom stuff. You can go get your stuff from her. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, you know what to do. Have yourselves a beautiful day.
Talking about Marcia, and the more you talk about me, is the more me shine. Then now we say I waste a little Trent. I waste a Trent here. You're wasting your Trent. You don't have nothing better to do with your Trent. You don't have nothing better to do. Una don't have nothing better to do. You could tell me how I want to come on social media about me. Una don't have no family. Una have no granny dress for help her wash it. No for una talk about me no. When you say una have no granny for look after. Me? I wanna turn for mama. You don't have some children or somebody in their family if you could motivate and inspire. Eh? I want a mama. I want a granny. No for una that they on social media. I want a granny don't even see una for a long time. Una don't even go help out no granny for sweep up your yard. When a granny probably have one little water if you care for a river go fill up her bucket and she have to bend her back on her head with a piece of grass and thing funny just for care and depend on social media going like on somebody. Go help on a granny. Because if it was not a granny, someone would have dead. Can a nurse need if you care for pushing out, help pushing out. I want a granny birth back when I come into this world as the nurse. If you was a found a granny and will all time sitting if you put the hot water on the belly and push out it and hold on the legs so no stifle the baby and kill the baby because somehow don't know when the pain lick on the rat it know how open up the leg. So it's got to look after on a granny. If I not them know if you put the quack or bush and like sitting on the belly and like a hot towel for make the baby come out little faster. You know that teeth to dead. Go and look after on a granny. You see Aunt Vi birthed a whole heap of baby in a cocoa William C. Cocoa. Aunt Vi, she was a midwife. She was a psychiatrist and she was a healer. Anything you take, she can find something to cure you before you reach a Lindsay hospital. You understand? So if me grew up with her, we expect. You don't expect for no things. You know how much baby she how much baby she help. She birthed now William C. Cocoa. Eh? Only not call Aunt Vi name down the mouth. You understand? Only call Aunt Vi name down the mouth. You see, me telling already. Make a statement already. If you don't live in America, and if you don't have American passport, and if you never voted for no president of the United States, if you have not gone to any legislative branch, and make a difference in people's lives to get more pay and write letters and march in anything, shut the fuck up. And don't talk about me. If you're not a taxpayer in this country, don't talk to me. Where me the love and raise me? Yeah. If you never vote in this country, if you never take foot in this race country, shut up. You understand? Shut up. If you live in a Jamaica, wherever Caribbean country, Barbados, Trinidad, they don't like me, shut the fuck up. Shut up. If you never come up here and walk in a cook them a breathe a cold weather, you shovel snow, drop and bust your backside enough time, shut up. If you know they are clean piss and shit and bend your back and I take face in this and I call it the N word and all kind of something and I work hard, I take bus and get up early man, I take 3 train and bus and I drive, sometimes you last, shut up. We're not collecting no free in this boy. We're not collecting no free in this boy. We live in America. I mean, I get no freeness. And if me want it, me could have gone and get it. You see, any life me I live now, any life for me I live, any life for me I live, my money. This is not a welfare card. My money. Not the United States government money. My work feet. This ain't no food stamp. This ain't no Section 8 card. This is Bank of America bank card. My money. Not yours. Mine. Not taxpayer money. Mine. You understand? Not taxpayer money. Mine. When me work for. Sell me sheet and curtain. Drop my partner. Do what me have to do. And work. And do my little thing. Mine. Not welfare. You see when I go down to the front desk, at this me push give them. Me no push no grey card give them. You understand? This is my money. When me work in this country for. This is my money when me lift up every box and push and lift up sheets and curtains and go sell it. It is my money. Me no call no friend. I me no call no family and borrow and ask them for no money for pay for my living. No family and no friends can say me call them and ask them say from me come out of Woodland Village and me can call them and say to them say come pay for your night for me in this hotel. None whatsoever. As a matter of fact, none of my friends that I'm speaking to don't know where I am. I don't tell them what chain I'm in, nor nothing. None whatsoever. The other day I made a mistake and I show some stuff and the boy Google it and find which part me there. You see, my days them up and me come out and go somewhere else. And nobody will know where I am. Not only person know me is my sister and my baby father. And my boyfriend, we know which part me there. Nobody knows which part me there. So anyway, me I sit down and me make sure say, me take my camera and go in and Google. Just in case if them see me sit down in one place and then I make sure say me go check it out myself. I mean, I say Google come up. Me make sure say me go test it myself. So not even breakfast. If you don't see me come right as I come near. You understand? Me make sure say me put the camera up on all I sending them. For make sure say when I'm ready to go Google something, then they say nah. Me now make the mistake there again. That's one mistake me now make. Is to tell nobody where I am. Me now make a mistake there again. And too fucking enough. I'm bad mind. Enough and bad mind. And where me is 20 times better than where I was. That is what it is. Where I was compared to this one here 20 times better. 100 times better. Which part was 20 times better. I saw the enemy spine. Let me sit down right here so. Right here so. Right there. 20 times better than which part me there. Come make them come Google me now. Make them come Google. A winter me say. I live my life for the winter. When me ready, me go change my money orders them. I go into real estate. I make real estate find me something. Marcia no idiot. Me have my money them put on in a real estate in a money order. So when me ready to find a place, I walk into the real estate office and say find me something. That's all. You people need to kiss my black ass and leave me alone. That's all. Hold on there. I'm gonna show you my bathroom. And you're not gonna get it because guess what? Me Google it and Google don't show it. Me gonna show you my bathroom.